Hey everyone, TNT here. All right, so this is just going to be a short video, well, as short as I can make it. I'm not going to be doing any restoration. I'm not going to be doing any disassembly or anything like that. This video's purpose is to keep this project moving along quickly. Last week, I got to thinking about it, and if I only allow the subscribers to do a voting poll at the end of each video that I upload, the project is just going to take far too long. We could be looking at up to a year to get these two bikes done. So what I've decided to do is I'm going to group a bunch of voting polls together in one. Now, I will more than likely still have a voting poll at the end of each video, but right now we're going to need to get a whole bunch of them done at once here so that I can order some of the parts required for this build rather than waiting for each video. Today, we're going to start with hub color, okay? I will be powder coating the hubs myself. Here is the non-OEM build hub. It has the OEM black color on it right now. Your three choices for the non-OEM hubs will be black, aluminum, or gold chrome. What I'll do is I'll powder coat a chrome on first, let it flow out, keep it hot, and then powder coat a gold over top, which gives it that gold anodized look. All right, rim color choice will be the same: black, aluminum, gold chrome. There's not a lot of choices for brands out there when it comes to that color. You're basically looking at Excel, which has that very bright gold color, or Sun, which has the more traditional 80s colored gold to it. Okay, I'll try and see if I can find some other ones, but in the past I've purchased some other rims from other manufacturers and the quality just wasn't there that I needed. Okay, next one will be clutch levers and perch. Okay, so we can either go with the original OEM clutch lever perch, and the color on that can either be black or aluminum. We can just strip all the black off and go with a vapor blasted aluminum look. The second one will be a Magura hydraulic clutch. Now, the Magura hydraulic clutch, I think for this year, comes in all black. So keep that in mind when we get to the front brake, okay? The third one will be Pro Taper. Okay, those are the three different ones for the clutch lever and perch. All right, the front brake master cylinder. We have a few choices here. We can stay with the OEM black and the OEM master cylinder, or we can strip the paint off of that OEM master cylinder and go with a vapor honed aluminum, or we can go to an upgraded 1990 plus Honda CR master cylinder, and we can either use the aluminum color of that or we can paint it black. I'll leave that up to you guys. Next one, clutch and stator covers. Now, it's looking like the motor is currently going in the direction of all aluminum color. Keep that in mind as to why I have decided to go with the color on these three clutch and stator covers. Aluminum, Honda Racing. Aluminum, Boyson Factory Racing. And aluminum, HRC. Those are the three choices for that. Next one, handlebars, gold, aluminum, or black. Okay, those are our three choices. It will not be gold anodized. It will actually be a gold colored handlebar. The next one is the pipe. On the pipe, you have three choices. We can go with black, which I'll probably have to take an aftermarket pipe and paint it black. Now, I'm okay with doing that. Nickel, which will be an aftermarket, probably FMF pipe, which I currently have, or a works pipe. Now, I think FMF, Pro Circuit, and a lot of other brands out there come with that work style where all of the welded seams have that burnt blue on it. Okay, that's the choice there. Let's see if there's any more. And that's it, guys. Those are the voting polls that will be posted right after you finish watching this video. If you're already subscribed, head over to the community tab and get your votes in for all of those polls. It will make the project go along a lot quicker. You have 7 days from the time that I post this video to get your votes in. After that, I will stop the voting. If you're not a subscriber, once again, hit that subscribe button so you have the opportunity to also put your vote in for these voting polls. All right, so thank you very much for coming and watching my upload. Share with your friends, leave some comments, and I'll catch you all next video.